Last time we tried this flavor. This time we're gonna try this flavor. This one looks very promising, so let's see if it actually tastes good. The texture of this flavor feels very spongy in comparison to the other one we tried. Smells like artificial strawberry. Yay. Very, very brittle again. It does have a initial flavor of angel food cake, and then you get that artificial strawberry. Not my favorite once again. And then you get like some weird flavor. I can't even explain after all those flavors you get. It's not a good flavor, I'm telling you right now. Okay, so this is, in my opinion, false advertising because they make the packaging look so good. This does not look like anything like the packaging. You guys see that? Look how different it looks. You guys see the difference? This looks nothing like the packaging. Do you guys see how different it looks? Look at this cake and look at the cake that I got. Once again, I've been duped. Alright, well, that was it for this video, guys. Kind of a short one. I'll see you guys in the next one, inshallah.